Assignment 3.3, James Boxford, Part 3. So welcome back. So now I'll be describing how we tested the psychological factors that affect exercise. So we developed a survey to see what these people's barriers could be. And in the survey, we asked a number of different questions relating to the three different models. So the health belief model, the trans-theoretical model, and the theory of planned behaviour. So from our results, we can confidently say what the barriers and attitudes towards exercise are, and I'll be describing these with each of the models that I showed you in the previous video. So here is an example of our survey. So at the top of it, we asked what year group the people were. That was just so we could get a mixed group from each, and then just the simple questions: so if they exercise, how often do they exercise? Then we asked about the perceived severity of a condition and susceptibility. So and as you can see, the other examples like that. So now I'll be describing what our results gained from the health belief model work. So 75% of the people we surveyed said that if no exercise led to an increase in the chance of them contracting serious health issues such as diabetes or heart disease, then they would begin some form of exercise. This would be a light intensity, so running, jogging, cycling. This shows that the likelihood of them getting an issue would cause them to exercise. So their perceived susceptibility is very high. And 75% of people said they'd start exercising if they told their life expectancy was decreasing, or their chance of developing a serious heart condition was also increasing. So that's the perceived severity. If people are told that they're going to die if they don't exercise, they're more likely to continue. They also have a high perceived severity. However, the final 25% have a lower perceived severity. They said that they wouldn't, that even if exercise led to a higher risk of them getting these conditions, it wouldn't bother them as much to do exercise. They'd do other things such as eat healthily, but exercise isn't something they'd do. 75% of our participants also stated that one major barrier to not doing exercise is not having enough time for it. And the final 25 said that it would be injury or illness that would prevent them also. But 50% of the people said that they want to exercise for their health benefits, and they want to lose their weight, and that is their benefit towards wanting to do exercise. That's a psychological factor for exercise. And the other 50% said that they'd do it for the social enjoyment and the interaction. So 75% of people partake in exercise already, and they do it for the enjoyment part of it, and that's because they like their friends do it, their family do it, so they have the social interaction around them. It means that people don't also exercise just for the health benefits and to reduce the risk of them getting heart disease, diabetes, and them developing cardiac arrests and things. But they also do it for the health, for the social and the psychological benefits as well. So, relating to the theory of planned behaviour, so 75% of our people that we surveyed have the attitude that exercise is actually good and they quite enjoy it. And 100% of them have a subjective norm. So their friends and their family all around them exercise. And 75% of them said that it would be easy for them to make the change. So the perceived behaviour control, how easy it is for them to make that change for the intention to occur. And 75% of them want to help improve their health and lose their weight. So therefore the 75% would begin the exercise. So their intention is the 75% intention would be they want to increase their levels of exercise because they want to get fitter and they want to lose weight and they don't want to get heart disease or diabetes or have a cardiac arrest at a young age. So their behaviour would be that they would be exercising more. And as all three of these have been met and everything's been met, the 75 will begin exercise. However, moreover, the social norm, so the subjective norm, so the friends or the family, is the most influential factor towards this change occurring because 100% of the people surveyed have someone around them exercising. So this shows that it's actually very influential. However, it's only influential for 75%. So the trans-theoretical model. So 25% of our clients said that they're in the pre-contemplation phase. So they weren't ready to engage in the healthy behaviour due to their dislike for it. And the same 25 said that that it would be very challenging for them to consider beginning an exercise program or a regime. However, 50% of our clients had stated that they've never considered starting an exercise regime, and but 75% of them said that it would take them less than 21 days to begin an exercise once they've considered it. This shows that they're prepared to start when they can. So they want to start within 3 weeks of them thinking about it. It could be due to the others around them, so their friends, their family exercising, because if there's other people around you doing things, you're more likely to do it. Not due to peer pressure, but due to the social enjoyment and the social side of it. 75% of the people say that they're currently active for up to 4 hours a week already. And it shows that they're trying to maintain that good level of health, and they're trying to stay physically fit and able, and they're modifying their behaviour to exercise more. So they're exercising for 4 hours or more a week to stay fit. And 75% of the clients also said that once they'd started a program or a regime, they'd likely continue it for 3+ months. And the final 25 said that it wouldn't take them more than 1 to 2 weeks for them to give up. 25% of the clients said that they would give up on an exercise very easily after 1 week, compared to the other 75 said it would take them a lot longer. However, in that 75, 50% of that 75 said that it would take them less time to give up if they weren't seeing immediate results. So if somebody weighed in at 13 kilos and they were exercising for 3 weeks and they were only 12 and a half kilos, they may not be where they want to be. So they may not be seeing the immediate results, so they may give up. However, that final 25 said that exercise takes a while to continue. So their termination is that they wouldn't give up very easily, and they'd more likely continue to consistently exercise until they saw results. Thank you.